Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Naqabi Muslima. Today we are going to do something fun. Today we are going to make Oreo cake with easy peasy recipe. So let's start. Now I have separated this cream and the biscuits. It was 3 packets of vanilla. Now I will put this biscuits in mixer jar. I will break and put and I will grind it nicely. We have to make fine powder. So let's start. We have to put sugar also. 1 spoon, 2 spoon, and we have to make fine powder of this. So let's start. We have made powder of this. In this I can't see any lumps. Can't see any lumps. Now I will put this all in this. So let's start. We are ready with this. Now I'm going to put 1 spoon baking powder. Wait. It's 1 spoon. Mix it nicely. Now we are going to add milk. It's 1 cup milk. Mix it nicely. Put some more milk in this. Mix well. Till that we will grease our pan. In this we are going to make our cake. Grease it nicely with oil. I have greased. Now I will put in this butter paper. Now we will put our batter in this. Now we will put in the pan our batter. Close and cover the pan. Now we are going to put this 45 to 50 minutes on slow flame. 20 to 25 minutes. Now till it baked. 20 to 25 minutes have done. Our cake is looking so nice. We have checked here. It is proper. Let's take it out. Wow. It has removed very nicely. Means our cake is so tasty and yummy. Let's remove the butter paper. We are done with this. Now we will put our cream of our Oreo nicely. Let's remove the butter paper slowly. Stop now. Till that we will make our cake cream. This cream, Oreo remaining cream, we will put in this milk like this way. And mix it nicely. All the way along, mix it nicely. We have did with this milk. We have put little and mix it. Don't mix more. Keep aside. Till that our cake is cooking. At here. Let's turn the cake in this.